In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access cloud storage in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very simple process, but if you're new to the interface, it can be a little hard to know exactly where to click. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the right menu and how to get into your cloud area quickly. To begin, look at the bottom right corner of DaVinci Resolve. In that area, click the Home button. This will take you out to the main Home section, where you can manage projects and access additional options. If you're currently inside a project, this is the place you need to go first, because the Cloud Access option appears from the home screen rather than from the editing workspace. Once you're on the home screen, pay attention to the panel that appears. At the top right of that panel, you'll see a tab labeled Cloud. Go ahead and click that tab. This section is where DaVinci Resolve connects to Blackmagic Cloud, and it's the area you'll use whenever you want to work with cloud-based storage or cloud-connected project tools. After clicking the Cloud tab, you may be asked to sign in if you haven't already logged into your account. If that happens, simply log into Blackmagic Cloud using your account credentials. Make sure you enter your information carefully so the sign-in process goes smoothly. If you're already signed in, DaVinci Resolve may take you directly to your cloud area without asking for anything else. Once you're logged in, that's it. You've now reached the place where you can access your cloud inside DaVinci Resolve. From here, you'll be able to view the cloud-related area available to your account and continue working from there. A helpful tip is to remember that if you don't see the Cloud tab right away, double-check that you're actually on the home screen and not still inside an open project. That's usually the main reason people can't find it. Also, if the sign-in prompt appears, just complete that first before expecting the cloud area to load. So to recap in a simple way, you click the Home button in the bottom right corner, open the Cloud tab from the top right of the panel, and then sign in to Blackmagic Cloud if needed. After that, you'll be able to access your cloud area. And that's how to access cloud storage in DaVinci Resolve.